Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Rizwan. Welcome to our channel Al-husnainstitute. This channel was created to provide Quran education with Tajweed for English speakers. Today we will learn about the first makhraj articulation point. There are 29 alphabets in Arabic language which are pronounced from 17 different articulation points. The first makhraj is jawful fam, which is empty space in the mouth as you look on screen. We pronounced from here 3 madda letters. Now the question is that what is madda letters? So guys, madda means to stretch sound, and there are 3 madda letters which are alif, waw, ya. When become alif madda, and when become ya madda, and when become waw madda. When alif sakin has fatha before it, it is alif madda. For example, ba. There is alif has fatha before it at ba. Therefore we stretch sound ba. The second letter is ya. Ya un madda. Ya sakin when has kasra before it, it is ya madda. We also stretch sound when we pronounced ya. For example, bi. There is ya sakin. This ya has kasra before it. Therefore we stretch sound and we pronounced bi. The third letter is waw sakin, waw madda. Waw sakin when has dhamma before it, it is waw madda. For example, bu. There is waw sakin has dhamma before it at ba. Therefore we stretch sound when we pronounced waw. Boo. I hope you understand. So guys, today we are practicing Surah An-Nas according to the rules of Tajweed. I request you repeat after me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الناس. There is waw sakin. Waw sakin has dhamma before it at I. Therefore we stretch sound when we pronounce waw. أعوذ أعوذ. قل أعوذ برب الناس. There is alif has fatha before it at noon. Therefore we stretch sound when we pronounced alif. An-nas. قل أعوذ برب الناس. مالك الناس. ملك الناس. إله الناس. إله الناس. من شر الوسواس الخناس. من شر الوسواس الخناس. الذي. There is ya sakin has kasra before it. Therefore we stretch sound when we pronounce the ya. الذي. الذي يوسوس في. There is ya also madda. صدور الناس. الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس. من الجنة والناس. من الجنة والناس. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس صدق الله العظيم. Alhamdulillah, today we learned the articulation point of three letters. These three letters are alif, waw, ya. So guys, today's lesson is end. We come back with new lesson as soon inshallah. We hope you will like this series of videos and you will enjoy the lessons of the Holy Quran with Tajweed inshallah. By the way guys, the admissions are open. So who wish to learn Holy Quran online with Tajweed can contact us by WhatsApp at number show on screen. Please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, share the video and don't forget to comment to encourage us.